everyone, my name is Risma. My study number is 2025511007. Today I'm gonna tell about RAM and ROM files. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is used to run applications and multitasking RAM. RAM for purpose, but the data will disappear when the computer is turned off. ROM stands for read-only memory. ROM is used to store BIOS and startup instructions. The data in ROM is permanent and more stable. The benefit of learning RAM and ROM is we can understand how a computer works and how data is stored in a computer system. Thank you.